Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Dr. Kanisha, pharmacist by day, reseller by night. I wanted to show you some consignment items that I received. So they are all men's shoes, which, doesn't happen that often. And the guy that gave them to me, he has super great taste in just both style and comfort and all that good stuff. So let's check it out. All right. I'm a little close to the camera, so let's get started. Oh, like, comment, subscribe. That would be so great. So first one is that because all these items I've actually already posted. So these are Doc Martens actually. And Doc Martens have come back in. So yeah, there've been a lot of interest in these particularly. I used to have a pair of Doc Martens back in the day. They are size 11 in the US. I'm gonna try to, it shouldn't disappear from camera, but I'm gonna try to put everything back where I got it from. Okay, these ones, wow, he didn't keep these because he was like, why did I pick these up? He's like, these are old men's shoes. And they kind of are. They attempted to make them trendy by throwing this leather on there, but I'm like, it's a Velcro? I'm just saying, sorry, not sorry. Size 10.5 wide. But the greatest point is that look how comfy, like they are stacked on the inside. So come on now. If you're having trouble getting around, but you want something that's trendy for a cushiony shoe and kind of like an orthopedic shoe. What brand is this anyways? Let's see, leather lining. Oh, that's right, Dr. Comfort. So that's those. Then we have Perry Ellis Portfolio. They're kind of like a suede and looks like a gray suede. I have my contacts in, so I'm like, what color are they? But they appear to be gray. See the lace, and they tie. They are size 11, and these are also leather upper as well. Let's see. Nunbush. My friend has given me quite a few of these lately. And the loafers tend to escape to New York, New Jersey area pretty often. And you guys, if you're interested in anything by any chance, you can, of course, just email me or, of course, check out the eBay store in the comment section. And then it's like if you email me and let me know that, you're a watcher or something like that and give you a great deal, or even on eBay, you can send me a message and let me know that you're a watcher and I can send you a deal. Leather upper looks like the size 11. Those are nice, like toffee tan. Uh-oh. Another pair of like some suede. These are super trendy, I think. They're like a gray lace as well. They are Madden. And some of these have been up a little while. I've kind of not been as active in my eBay store as I should be. But y'all, from past efforts, past consistent efforts, and discipline have really paid off because I've been busy with work and some different things, and so but things are still selling, and I just feel so blessed by that. And it's like, as my mentor would say, God put a wind on it because they continue to sell several things a week, even maybe 4 to 5, 6 things, and I haven't been as active as I should be. These are size 11 as well. Man-made upper, man-made lining, leather sock. So it's really just such a beautiful thing to still be able to bring in the income from those past efforts. You almost want to say they're like passive. It's passive income, even though you worked super hard initially. So I think I have about 500 items on line right now. So RBX. RBX Live Active looks like they are a 10.5. So yeah, so if you're considering just another stream of income, eBay is a great place to do that. Actually, I don't even need to bring this over there. We're on the last one. Because it's something you do on your own time. You know, you can go shop on your own time whenever you are available to, and then, you know, you're measuring and then listing those items, and then that's all on your own time. And you're making that schedule. And when you pack items up or go to the post office, all of that is something that you get to dictate. And who doesn't want a extra stream of income where you can make money while you sleep? Like, that's the dream, isn't it? Everybody's like, oh, I want to make money while I sleep. But y'all, we have to put in the work in order to make that happen. It doesn't just happen overnight. Like, because I've been doing this, man, probably about a year and a half, seriously. So, which means that, you know, I'm really taking the time to have a full inventory system, which is why you see like the boxes and the racks and everything. That means that I'm like, okay, I'm serious, let's go, because I need to be able to find things quickly, pack them up, move them out, you know. And I'm like, and where you can go on vacation, and now I've been on vacation and everything, and then while you're away from work, you both get paid with your PTO, but then you're also making money while you're away on eBay. And I'm like, is that not the best of, kind of both worlds, right? So you can make, you know, whatever it is, $100, $200 while you're away from work, plus your paid time off. So it's something to think about. And of course, there's so many other things that maybe we'll talk about later. I have a video that's super old where it's talking about how you assess like starting another stream of income and what you actually like and you're passionate about, because this is like treasure hunting to me. My dad and I always love thrifting. So it's like, you know, you find something that's a really great quality, that's inexpensive, that you're able to like 10x your money sometimes. That's an awesome thing. These are Johnston & Murphy shoes. Great brand. Sheepskin. Beautiful toffee color. I'm surprised these haven't sold yet. They'll probably end up going to New York, New Jersey. Yeah, they're super nice. And so I should maybe make sure that I've actually posted them. I've been a little everywhere lately. So that's it. I think the rest of the shoes have already left the building. So once again, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys hanging in for just these few minutes, and I will see you next time. Bye.